The future of the forestry industry has come with giant, powerful, and advanced machines. These new designs promise to revolutionize logging with outstanding performance and precision. Prepare to experience the power of these machines and explore the promising future of forestry. This is not just a cedar, but a monster of nature. With a diameter of 10 feet, it is far beyond the concept of a normal tree. The lumberjack looked as small as David before Goliath, but this time there were no slings or miracles, only skill and persistence. With a 42-inch saw and a sharp axe, he conquered a legend. The cedar was as tough as a bear trap, but he overcame it. This is the mark of a true lumberjack. I was truly impressed by its enormous size and solid construction, which exudes strength and sophistication. 4 independent arms, each equipped with its own cylinder, are like giant hands ready to conquer any tree. The large saw blade sparkles in the sunlight, promising fast and accurate cuts. This is not just a machine, but a testament to human ingenuity in the face of natural power in the field of forestry. In the white landscape of the snowy forest, a specialized Valmet 890.3 vehicle weighing 12 tons is working non-stop. Equipped with a 450 horsepower engine and 6x6 drive system, the car easily moves on slippery ice roads. The 8-meter-long pickup arm, equipped with insulation and a heating system operating at 30 degrees Celsius, continuously lifts and stacks wood. Each time the forklift is lifted, a log weighing 1.5 tons is loaded onto a 20-ton trailer, contributing to completing the task of logging in harsh conditions. From a rough block of wood, under the talented hands of a craftsman and the support of a lathe, round, sophisticated wooden products are gradually formed. With each rotation of the shaft, the lathe scrapes off a thin layer of wood, revealing beautiful wood grain lines. The final product is not only usable, but also a work of art. Harvesting wood in the deep forest is always dangerous for every worker. With a tanned face, controlling a Metsolon Metsakulu 282 saw, 6.5 horsepower capacity and 28-inch long blade, cutting through tree trunks. 36 inches. Each saw cut is carefully calculated, avoiding the risk of falling branches or falling wood. With full protective gear, he successfully completed the task, turning raw wood into useful products. Learn about the process of logging with the Ponce Bear machine, which happens quickly thanks to sturdy steel chains wrapped around the wheels, helping the machine easily move up and down the forest terrain. Long, flexible machine arms and multi-purpose saw blades allow access and exploitation of trees in difficult locations. Automatic peeling system saves time and effort. The entire process from cutting to peeling is completed in about 30 minutes for each large tree. If you like the video about the Scania 6x6 truck under the driver's control through forest curves transporting wood from the forest to this factory, please leave comment number 1. The Logset 6F, a powerful forestry machine, faces a big challenge on muddy trails. Experienced operators skillfully control the machine to overcome slippery and bogged slopes. Flexible arms, combined with a hydraulic system, help the machine easily lift large, heavy logs and move them over complex terrain. Every time it moves, the Logset 6F faces the risk of getting stuck in a muddy pond. But thanks to its sturdy suspension and special tires, the machine remains stable and continues to complete its tasks. Image of Caterpillar 320 CLL with the strength of a monster, hard at work. Its massive crane stretched out, picking up 8, 9, 10-foot round logs with ease. With the power of the hydraulic system, the excavator lifts heavy logs high, moving them to the designated location. In just a blink of an eye, the truck was filled, ready for the trip back to the factory. After being transported to the factory, the raw wood logs are put into the moorbark peeler peeling machine. The log is clamped tightly to the machine, and the sharp blade on the rotating part comes into contact with the surface of the wood. With powerful pressure and a rotation speed of 300 RPM, the blade shaves the hard crust into thin strips. The process repeats until the crust is completely removed. Finally, the shiny core wood is pushed out, ready for further processing. The John Deere 540 Jeet, with custom tree propulsion system, is like a green monster moving through old forests. The sturdy mechanical arm reached out, leaned against the tree trunk, and knocked them down with ease. The roar of the engine, mixed with the sound of falling tree branches, creates a symphony that affirms the power of man and machine. The truck, equipped with a forklift with a maximum lifting capacity of 10 tons, is an essential equipment in logging and transporting wood. On the difficult forest road, the wheels tore up the soil. The driver skillfully kept the car on the right track. When approaching a sharp turn, the car tilts strongly, but the electronic balance system and air suspension quickly help stabilize the car. With a maximum payload of 18 tons, the vehicle continues its journey through complex terrain. This is the process of sawing a giant log. Carpenters start by measuring and marking the cutting position, choosing the right saw blade for the wood type and thickness. The saw is adjusted for speed and depth so that the saw blade moves evenly, creating smooth and accurate cuts. The entire procedure requires concentration and strict adherence to safety rules, including wearing safety glasses, gloves, and earplugs. The next interesting machine is the 4FT rotary CNC veneer peeler with adjustable speed that allows precise and efficient processing of plywood cores, creating a thin and uniform veneer layer. Flexible speed adjustment system helps optimize the peeling process, improve product quality, and reduce material waste. Working in the snowy forest in the cold weather, Lumberjack Mike vigorously wielded a Husqvarna 395 XP gasoline saw. The old oak tree that stood tall is now under the power of a gasoline saw. The roar of the gasoline saw echoed throughout the forest like a symphony between human strength and nature. Finally, the ancient oak tree tilted and collapsed, creating a resounding sound, blending with the silence of winter. The Newson equipped with LACO 52 becomes a powerful companion for loggers. With precise cutting capabilities and a smart collection system, LACO 52 reduces mining time, improves productivity, and protects the environment. The image of a large tree falling under the machine's sharp saw blade has become familiar in the forestry industry. The Komatsu 890, with its massive body and overwhelming power, is relentlessly uprooting giant spruce trees in the white landscape of northern Västerbotten. Every firm hold, every lift and lowering proves the incredible efficiency of this machine. The Bruco merchandising saw is an effective tool in woodworking, specializing in cutting finished logs accurately and quickly. With sharp saw blades and advanced control technology, the machine ensures smooth, even cuts. It also saves time and improves product quality thanks to the system that automatically adjusts the cutting size. FS22 Silver Run for Reel 04 offers outstanding cable carrying capacity with a maximum load of 15 tons and a cable length of 1,000 meters. The powerful crane and precise cable highlight the sophistication of each movement, easily picking up and moving large logs. Under sunlight, this device completes the work of logging, keeping the forest tidy. Sweat beaded on his forehead, the mechanic controlled the Husqvarna 357 with a steady grip. The sharp saw blade pierced the oak tree's trunk, creating an echoing sound that blended with the sound of birdsong. With skill and experience, the craftsman saws accurately, creating flat wooden planks, highlighting the impressive image in the cool green forest. The automatic veneer separation line is superior to the manual method, operating continuously without wasting effort. The veneer separator is fast and precise, taking just a few seconds to process an A4-sized sheet of paper, helping to reduce scrap and improve productivity. With high performance and outstanding precision, the automatic line is the ideal solution for the woodworking industry. Have you ever wondered how strong teak wood planks turn into fishing boats? At the sawmill, teak logs are cut into planks at a speed of 20 meters per minute. Modern machinery ensures each slice is cut accurately and maintains the same quality of wood. After that, the planks are inspected and surface treated, ready for the construction of fishing boats. This is the largest log I have cut to date with my 13 HP homemade band saw. Luckily, with the recently installed wood lifting system, I didn't have any trouble placing the logs on the table. With each pass of the saw blade, the wood grows into perfect boards, and the feeling of accomplishment when completing a large job like this is amazing. We hope you had an exciting adventure in the world of innovation. If you are also excited, please share your feelings in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on other new and interesting content.